Razer put out a $280 mouse, and it's a magnesium alloy, so it's supposed to be extremely lightweight. This is what it's about right now in 2023. It's about extremely lightweight mice. And I know you're into the... Oh, go ahead. I didn't know you were this... Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You showed your cards there.
I don't know. Maybe because I've been using heavy mouses all my life and trying like a light mouse, I've never gotten used to it. I've tried the Razer Viper. That one's really light. Used it for about 2 months. Still can't get used to it. I don't know why. It's way too light. It's like I'm flinging the thing across the room.
It's like a paper airplane.
Yeah.
No, and I know what you're saying, but you got to understand, these competitive types, it's all day, every day.
Yeah, maybe it's something I'm not getting.
It's all day, every day.
No judgment, though.
And it's the fatigue setting in, you know?
Sure. Yeah, I can understand that.
So they're trying to get those micro movements going, but I also hear you. I hear you.
You like the heft.
I'm a hefty.
Yeah.
And
a hefty fella.
It's in other areas in my life as well where I gravitate. The latest thing, I play hockey, the latest thing in stick technology is like stupid lightweight sticks. And sometimes I honestly feel this is too light.
This is too much.
I feel like my feel is actually disturbed a little bit. I just don't have the same precision or confidence as I would with a little bit more weight. But I'm sure everybody's tuning it up. I know we've seen these mice where you can configure the amount of weight that you want.
Yeah.
Take weights, insert weights, or take weights out and kind of land on the perfect one. But this one goes beyond that. I mean, yes, it's light. It's not the lightest mouse in the market. Viper Mini SE. It's 1.73 ounces, and it's $280 because it has a fancy packaging and like a limited edition type of situation. It's got an exoskeleton, which looks futuristic. Honeycomb kind of pattern. I suppose your hand doesn't get as hot. A little bit of airflow is going on there. The Viper Mini SE has holes that are so big, it looks like you could poke your finger through them. Well, yeah, you could. They are absolutely enormous holes in there.
Yeah. I mean, it does get gunky in there, right? With like dust and stuff, and you have to clean it regularly.
Talking about hygiene in there?
Maybe.
Can't you just take the compressed air and just blast around in there?
I'm sure you can.
I would assume so. I don't know. But I think a lot of people are just upset because they're like, $280 for a mouse, get away from me. Like some people, it's just a non-starter.
Yeah.
You also have other lightweight mice from like Final Mouse and those guys, and they don't quite cost as much. So I don't know. Do we have space for a super premium $280 mouse? Yeah, probably. People have crazy setups, and they want... Listen, they want the top end.
The advantage.
Well, not even. I don't even think there's going to be a gaming advantage here. I think it's more the feeling you get when you really like your setup, and because truthfully, a lot of these other mice we can name, plenty of competitive gamers are using and being effective with, and so on. So this one, it's more about the experience of the product.
I like the fact that it doesn't have RGB.
It's just blacked out.
Yeah. It's not, it's kind of cool.
Stealth-like and a little bit angry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hey, man, I don't know. Maybe we'll check it out.
Yeah.
We can check it out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely not going to enhance. I'm not getting any more kills.
Definitely not.
I'll tell you that. Man, my kids, listen, let me tell you something. My kids are playing Overwatch, the older ones.
Yeah.
And these guys, they can only, like, I noticed they can have the most impact on the game if they're playing the healer.
Oh, yeah. The healer's the differentiator.
Yeah, and I can't be a healer.
Why not?
I just not even...
Huh?
Listen.
It's actually pretty fun.
Listen. More power to everybody doing it, but I'm just saying that just not my cup of tea.
Okay, yeah. You want to deal damage.
I'm a damage dealer. You understand?
Okay.
About time you recognize. Man, shout out for all the super chats. I see everybody in the chat here, and I love it at 7:48 p.m. It really, truly feels like a hangout over here. I don't know what Mo's up to. I told him we were going late. Did you speak to the man?
Yeah, he said he'll be in and out.
What does that mean, in and out?
In the chat. I don't see him, though.
No, the man is not in and out. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The man is not in and out.
Mo's sleeping.
Yeah, somebody best be talking to Mo because the guy's slacking over here.